Jesus, however, remains the sole foundation of the church. Peter and those given the power of the keys.
Master of the palace, I will trust you from your office and pull you down from your station. On that day, I will summon my
Katulad ni Pedro, kasi narinig na natin kay Pedro, inaral na natin yung buhay ng ating Panginoon. Nakailang simba na tayo. But if we examine the very depths of our hearts,
only say the word, and my soul shall be healed.
eternal rest grant unto him, O Lord.
And let your perpetual light shine upon him.
May he rest in peace.
Amen.
Hail Mary, full of gifts of his blessing.
Amen.
May God keep your hearts attentive to his words, that they may be filled with everlasting gladness.
Amen.